Alright, YouTube, man. Today, man, we at the crib chilling, man. It's actually a nice day out, but shit, I'm tired as fuck, man. Like I said, a lot of shit been going on, but we still gotta continue on the grind. You know what I'm saying? We gonna get to it. Straight into the action today. Make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to the channel, man. You know, 5.0 J on YouTube, Instagram, J Savage 420 and shit. So, what I was getting into. Oh, as y'all know, we got new shit to go on the Mustang, man. We got new parts that we done upgraded to. It ain't nothing too major. You know, I did spend a little bag, you know what I'm saying? But I ain't buy all this at one time. Just so y'all know, I've been buying it over time. And now we finally got everything that we need pieced together. Let me see how to put this. Kind of confused because I got a couple videos already lined up. If y'all ain't know, my clutch actually blew out last night. I was driving to the city and shit, showing down the Mustang. That mother just went kaboom like a bomb. You know what I'm saying? So we already have the parts already ready. The car going to the shop tomorrow, so y'all gonna be seeing that go up the next day after this video is posted. But I just wanted to show y'all the parts that we're gonna be putting on there. So we're gonna do a little unboxing today, just so y'all can get an idea of what we got putting in the car, and then we gonna get the car going to the shop, and then we're going to also get the video of the car coming out the shop and how the new parts feel on the Mustang, man. It's going to be a big upgrade for me because I do a lot of extra stuff now, more than I thought I would, because when I first bought the car, I was still learning. So now, you know, finally upgrade, get into some extra activity. So we're going to go on here and get into the unboxing here. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we can start with first. Yeah, we're gonna start with clutch. So we got a new clutch that we're doing in the car by making Lloyd. They make some of the best clutches for practically any car, man. We got LS, Coyote, you know what I'm saying? Hemi, they make a lot of good clutches. So shit, you know, we gotta make Lloyd. You got the instructions here. This right here is gonna be the clutch itself. You know, you got the clutch right here. Let me get this camera set up so we can take this stuff out the box. So shit, yeah. Oh my God, this shit. Alright, so this the McLeod RST clutch, like stage 2. This the clutch itself. This thing gonna hold up to about like 700 horsepower zoom on it, right there on that. I think this gold plated. Then they got the instructions right here too. I'm not gonna be installing this shit myself. Then this the friction plate. This the thing that actually connect the clutch to the flywheel. Then we got the flywheel right here. I'm gonna open that up for y'all. So I think it goes something like that when you put it on. I ain't gonna assemble this shit. Come with the bolts. This actually came separate, so the clutch and the flywheel go together. You know what I'm saying? You put that on there. Alright, so go ahead and open this shit up. This the flywheel. Oh shit. This shit heavy as hell. So this the flywheel. This when you press the clutch in, you know, this thing go in and out. So it connect from the engine to the transmission. So that's gonna be another piece we getting installed on. New clutch. Like I said, my shit blew last night. So I'm actually right on time on this shit. Then next, you know, we got the Barton Industries short throw shifter. It's gonna be the new shifter for the car stuff to the stop. You know, we be losing a lot of races. Because the traffic, you know, this come right back. You know what I'm saying? This go right up in here, right up into it. And this got some other miscellaneous parts. I'm not sure what this is. I'm thinking this like the linkage everything that connects to the trans mount. We got all this stuff here. I'm gonna open this up. So yeah, all this stuff right here go to the short throw. I actually don't know how this go. I'm not no mechanic. So yeah, all this gonna be going on the Mustang, man. This shit, big upgrades we got going on. So car gonna be going in the shop tomorrow. All this gonna be getting put on. Shit, we gonna be back down running. Like I said, the Mustang not running right now. It's running, but it ain't driving. You feel me? I ain't gonna open all this smaller stuff. There's like smaller bolts and stuff that go to the shifter. This is right here. You get some other small miscellaneous stuff. But yeah, all this gonna be going on the Mustang tomorrow. This gonna be going on the Mustang tomorrow. We got an appointment at 10 a.m. I'm gonna have to get the car towed because, like I said, the motherfucking clutch blew out last night. And, yeah, before that, it was all good. But, I mean, I just did a little burnout or whatever. Did a little donut. I tried to pop it in a second, and that thing just blew. So, yeah, all this stuff right here is gonna be going in the car. Big upgrades for me. I'm gonna be spending around like close to $25,000 to $3,000 now, so all this stuff gonna be going good. This is my main. That's what I really wanted right here. Short throw shifter, man. They're gonna be winning a lot of races with this right here. So yeah, to update y'all on that. Other than that, man, shit, this is gonna be the end of this video. Make sure y'all stay tuned for more. Subscribe to the channel, man. We're gonna be dropping some more heat. So after this video, we just gonna be posting the car getting out the shop. We're gonna be testing out the new parts that we installed. And yeah, shit, after that, y'all just stay tuned, man. And I'll see y'all on the next one.